Hi friends, I'm from Regrob.com and today in this video we are at Stellar 1 project which is located in Noida Extension. So here we are giving you the project view from Service Road. This project is widely spread over 16 acres of land and divided in 3 phases. There are total 15 number of towers in this project with 14 number of floors each. So here you can see the service road in front of the project. And just opposite to Stellar 1 we have Eco Village 1 residential project. This project offers 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. All the apartments are skillfully designed. The possession of this project will be given by March 2020. So from here you can take a view of project towers. It's an under construction project and the construction work is going on in full swing. It's a RERA-proof project. And has 3 side open plot. It has 80% open space. There are total 560 numbers of units in this project, that is Stellar 1. It is situated close to Sector 78 metro station. So here we are giving you the project view from Service Road. It's a grand project by Stellar Group. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can also call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.